Is your budget tight, but you still want to find a cute Easter gift for the littles in your life? Well, I've got you. These treat-filled bunnies could be exactly what you're looking for. I found all the supplies for these at my local Dollar Tree. For each one, I used 4 disposable clear bowls, 2 small and 2 medium. They were sold in pairs. Felt, poster board for the feet, and a bunny ear headband. Then I also bought some paper grass, tapes, ribbon rolls, 1 roll made 3 bows, and treats. These were super easy to put together. I started by tracing the bunny feet onto the felt. I put a small piece of tape and attached those to the poster board. I cut them out, removed the tape, and hot glued the feet to the poster board. Then just hot glue the feet to the bottom bowl. Fill up your bowls with whatever small treats, crafts, or trinkets your littles will like. I used tape to close the bowls because I wanted them to be easy to open. I put the headband on top, and the smaller bowl was the perfect size, so I didn't need to attach the headband with glue. This way it can be removed and worn later by our grandkids. I think these bunnies turned out so cute. Also, if you want a way to add something cute to your Easter table, just try folding your napkins into bunny ears. Start by folding your napkin into a triangle and then roll the small end towards the large end. Secure the napkin with some yarn or ribbon. We put the story of Christ's last days into the Easter eggs, and then we take turns reading this at dinner. It's a nice way for kids to talk about what can be a heavy yet joyful topic. Happy Easter! Thanks for watching.